Welcome back everyone to another Mars Anomalies video. We're looking at anomalies I previously featured at a site in Argyre Planitia near Halley. Also found a lot of new anomalies using the new upscaling software, so look forward to seeing some new stuff and higher resolution older stuff. The lovely Miss Michelle joins us again in this one.
Hello everyone.
So without further ado, let's get cracking on. High Thermal Inertia Area as imaged by THEMIS. This is what the HiRISE team calls this photograph, which was acquired on the 3rd of September 2011 at a nice high resolution of 25.2 centimeters per pixel. The photograph I'm showing you, the images are cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file. This one's also huge, folks, almost 1 gigabyte in size. There's a look at the low-res black and white. There's a very strange surface in this area. Located to the top left of Argyre Planitia at approximately 48 degrees, 54 minutes south, 62 degrees, 22 minutes west. We'll have a look at some of the other anomalies at sites close by as well. Right, we're looking at the first anomaly there in the center, and I've included the scale indicator to give you a rough approximation of how big these items are. So this one, for example, is about 10 meters wide. Check this out, folks. Got a nice classic protrusion or opening in the center of this block, and it's got a nice symmetrical shape to it as well. Could that there be an opening with the cover open over here, folks? Let's have a look at this one to the top right. This to me looks like a structure. Check this out, folks. It's like a roof, dome on it, and then a terrace. Very strange. Or is that a disk embedded in this object? This one's rather weird. Love to see what this looks like. Could actually walk on top of these extended parts. This piece I'd say is about 12 to 14 meters across. And that disk, about 4 meters. Really nice. Imagine having a barbecue right there, guys. Nice view. And then we're looking at the row of, they look like eroded blocks to me. Each one's about 5 meters long. Looks like part of a wall or structure that toppled over. Check the block over here as well. Smaller blocks surrounding the site. It's always difficult to find anomalies like this where you see partially intact structures. Everything on Mars is decimated and strewn about all over the place. So this is quite nice to see. Right, then we're looking at the anomaly located to the top left. Very small one, this, about 3 meters across. It's got this rather strange circular part in the carved out area. Don't know what to make of that, folks. Right, then the slab, or maybe even piece of metal. Check it out. Looks like it's very thin material, partially bent. That piece there as well. Could this be remains of some type of wreckage? It looks like paneling. Right, let's zoom in on the top part. Also has this very strange rounded part to it here, and the customary protrusion in the center. This is unusual to see. Right, let's have a look at the anomaly to the right. This looks like a carving or sculpture of sorts. Look at the disc lying just on the outside of this, what looks like an opening. Imagine if that is a craft, and this is the hanger. Not that it is, folks, but this looks like some type of art. Very strange, could be natural, but it's beautiful. And we're looking at the part located here to the left, and it's got this small disc-like feature in this carved out area on top of it. Also very symmetrical, nice symmetry, geometry, and a uniform thickness to it as well. You've seen this type of design so often. I feature these in my last 2 or 3 videos as well. Some similar items in those videos. So let's check out the parts over there. This one's got a narrow rectangular carved out area on it, like a slot. Very unusual as well. Okay, there's another one of these good examples of a disc-like feature on this block. Very, very weird. And here's another block, heavily eroded, this small part in its center. Right, let's have a look at those 2 items there and some of the other anomalies, like this block over here. Nice hole right in the center of that part. It also looks like metal, these pieces over here. And then this, nice right angles to it, folks. And then the part close to the center. Alright, let's have a look at the hole on that item. Nice edge to it. Looks almost as if it's like a conical hole there in the center. Then the item to the top right. Excellent example again. Square block or slab with this dark spot in the center. This looks very unnatural as well. Check this out. Don't know what to make of it. Beautiful though. And then I thought I'd include the smiley face. That there's huge. See, it's about 18 meters across. Check this out. Weird little mouth, looks very unhappy. Nose off center. Also another one of those very strange but really nice anomalies. A nice hole in the center of this one again. And this piece is about 8 meters across. Bottom of the image, and one of these strange thin parts sticking off the block. Alright, this one's here. I hope you can see it. The PIP is right here, so it's probably behind my head. But anyway, folks, check out the small block top of this larger piece. We add to the bottom of this image, strange oval part, hole there in the center, and then this odd piece running through the back. Again, looks like some type of wreckage. down to Argyre Planitia. We have Halley over here, folks. And the site we're looking at is approximately 120 kilometers to the west. So let's have a look at those. When I originally upscaled them with PhotoZoom Pro 7. Very low res compared to this. Lots of new anomalies I picked up while I was going through the old crops. And then let's do this site over here to the east of Halley. Some nice shapes over here as well. That there looks like a folded serviette. This is a huge piece. It's a pity I didn't include the zoomed out view here, but it looks like a huge propeller. It's got some symmetry and geometry to it as well. Check out this video if you can, folks. Check this out. More weird structures found on Mars. Let's go over here to this site. Nice thin rectangular slot in that piece. I'll be upscaling these in the near future, so stay tuned for that, folks. That there looks like a fossilized shell. It's about 8 meters across. Right, thanks for joining us for this one, folks. Take care. Michelle and I will see you in the next one soon.
Bye, everyone.
Ciao for now.